Okay. Today we have a new phone from Realme. This is their new phone in the C lineup, the Realme C21Y, and today we'll be unboxing it and taking a look at everything in the box. This is the Lazy Reviewers and you're watching the unboxing of the Realme C21Y. Okay, this is the box for the Realme C21Y. On the front we just have the name of the phone. On the right hand side we have that again, and on the left as well. On the bottom side we have some of the major specs of the phone, like the 5000 mAh battery, 6.5-inch mini drop display, and instant fingerprint sensor, and a 13 megapixel triple camera. Okay, that's pretty much all about the specs. Now let's take apart the box and see what comes inside it, and then we'll take a closer look at the phone. How does this box even open? Okay. Welcome to the Realme family. We're greeted with this box that has our SIM tray, SIM ejection tool, our paperwork, and no stickers. Underneath that we have our phone. Let's take it out of its packet and we'll take a closer look at it in a second. Okay, it's pretty heavy. Let's put it to the side for now. Let's see what comes in the box. Why is it so tightly packed? Come on. What is this packaging really? Okay, we have a micro USB cable, which is pretty short, and Type A on one end and micro USB on the other end. This is a pretty beefy looking charger, and it is 10 watts. What? It says 10 watts? Okay, this is a pretty slow charger, not even 15 watts. Pretty disappointing. Now let's turn the phone on and set it up. Okay, so now that we've set up the phone and we've set our fingerprint on it as well, let's talk about my initial impressions of the phone. First of all, let's talk about the unboxing experience. It was weird. I've not seen boxes like these that open that way in quite a long time. We usually have those lift up boxes now and they feel quite good. This is really hard to open, and on the packaging for the USB cable, it was really hard to take out. Other than that, the quality of the power brick is really flimsy. It's really lightweight For its size, I expected it to be a lot heavier and a lot more wattage. It's just 10 watt, 5 volts, 2 ampere, and it's really slow charging. Now let's talk about the phone itself. I haven't taken any pictures yet. We'll take a look at those in a second. The back design is really good. It's plastic, but it's really sturdy feeling. The camera bump is a square shape in the top left corner. On the front we have a dewdrop display. The display itself is pretty good. It's pretty vibrant and big as well. The only bad thing about it is the bezels and the slow frame rate. Other than that, we have micro USB. And for a phone that is released in 2021, having micro USB is a no-no. We do get a headphone jack for a budget phone. This is a really good addition, since for a phone this price you will not be getting any good wireless earphones. We do have a fingerprint sensor on the back instead of an in-display one that we're seeing on your phones. This is my preferred position of it as well, since your fingers can reach it easily and unlock the phone. Yeah, that's pretty much it about my first impressions. Now let's take a couple of pictures and see how they turn out. Okay, I've taken a look at all of the pictures we've taken so far. We've checked the front camera, the back camera, video from the back camera, slow motion, video from the front camera, beautification and no beautification. And frankly, it's not great. For a phone that comes at this price, you're not really going to expect a lot from the camera performance either. Some of the basic specs of the phone are really good, like the RAM and the storage. The battery charging is not great, but the battery life would be good because it's a 5000 mAh cell. Other than that, the 3 cameras on the back are useless. We have a 13 megapixel main camera. We have a 2 megapixel macro, which really doesn't do anything. We took 2 pictures of this charging brick, one from the normal camera mode and one from the macro, and both of them looked pretty much identical in terms of detail. The front camera is slightly better than the back camera in terms of taking pictures of human subjects, but the portrait mode on the back is decent. The slow motion was fine. I guess it's a good addition in any phone at this budget. We will have a detailed camera review of this phone, and we might even compare it with the Realme 8. Other than that, this is a good phone for the price. It comes in at 21,000 Pakistani rupees, which is a good price for this phone. Let's take a look at the SIM tray situation on this phone. Where is the SIM tool? Okay, the SIM tool that comes within the box is really standard. It's like the basic one that comes with every Chinese phone. I'm really interested to see if we have a micro SD card slot. And we have 2 micro SIMs and a dedicated slot for the micro SD card, which is really good at this budget, since 64 gigabytes of storage is not that great. Okay, and that is all we have for you today. This was the unboxing of the Realme C21Y. If you liked the video and you enjoyed it, make sure to press that like button and subscribe for more to the point unboxings, reviews and much more.